Hi guys, I'm Sal here at Bob's Containers, and today we're going to be updating you guys on the multi-unit. So you guys last saw the bottom units that were going to get sprayed foam. We had around electrical and plumbing. We proceeded to do that, so we foamed, and now as you guys see, we've added the wall, which is the drywall. We've also taped and float, and we textured. Right now, if you guys see behind us, they are adding all the flooring for the unit, and then they're going to continue to add the trim board. Then we're going to come back, prime the walls with the white, and then continue with your interior color, which is going to be white as well. And if you guys see over here, you're going to pan out. We did add all the windows, and we added the door. We're just missing one more door now. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the bottom units. The two top units are following along too, so the multi-units coming along together just fine.